guys, welcome back to my channel and you all know why we are here. So without any further ado, let me show you कि मेरे पास क्या क्या है आज Nykaa से. So I have this massive box which is filled with a lot of makeup. See कितना बड़ा box है. So I have quite a few things which are filled and इसमें कुछ 8-9 हज़ार रुपए का सामान है. And I have all the categories like skincare, perfumes, your hair care, and you know what the best thing is? I got free products with this. I'm gonna share that with you as well. And yeah, let's begin. सबसे पहले हम बॉडी केयर से स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. सी आई लव वनीला, तो मैं जो भी बॉडी केयर प्रोडक्ट्स अभी रेकमेंड करूंगी मोस्टली उसमें वनीला फ्रेग्रेंस होने वाला है. सो आई एम गोना ऑल्सो टेल यू हाउ यू कैन बाय ऑल ऑफ दिस इन अ वेरी ग्रेट डिस्काउंट. सो आई एम गोना शेयर माई परचेजेस विथ यू ऑल. सो सबसे पहले तो मैं बॉडी लोशन आपको रिकमेंड करना चाहती हूँ, ये प्लम का. This is something which I bought and I'm gonna recommend you 10,000 times because this is the best smelling moisturizing body lotion ever. This is a refill of my previous bottle. I have been in love with this body lotion. I paid 333 rupees for this one. However, if you are ready to pay a little bit more and you want something expensive for yourself, go with this Victoria's Secret's Bare Vanilla. Oh my god, this has the highest concentration of vanilla. I just use these on a special occasions to make me feel better. Now to pair this up with a fragrance, I have also bought this. And ये दोनों ही चीजें कुछ 2500 के ऊपर रिटेल करती है. If you buy it during the sale, like the massive sale, you will get it under rupees 9,000. And trust me, I just paid 888 for these two, like single pieces के लिए 888 for this and 826 for this. And I'm just super happy with the deal because at the end I'm getting Victoria's Secret body wash. I don't know why, but I picked again this by Plum and I haven't used this yet. I am really having very high hopes for this one. So this is another purchase for my body's care. This is a body wash and this will leave me smelling like vanilla. Now let me tell you, मेरा एक ही target था कि मैं vanilla की तरह smell करूँ at the end of the day. So you know what, I have purchased a lot of products which have vanilla, but I cannot hold myself back by using this particular thing. So this is the Plum Vanilla Caramello perfume and I couldn't hold myself back. I bought another one because I really wanted to use these again. So this is what the body care thing ends with. However, I have something else to recommend as well. So I also got these Sanfe razors. These are body razors and this is a pack of 5. 5 pack milte hai. This particular thing retails for rupees 170. But during the sale, I paid just rupees 127 for each of this. तो मुझे बहुत सस्ते में पड़ा है. And this is a good addition, I think so. These were my body care recommendations from Nykaa. My hair care routine is really simple yet effective. So I've added quite a few products in my hair care routine. This is the Be Body Wise 5% rosemary oil and ये बहुत अच्छा hair oil है. I have seen significant reduction in my hair loss. So मैंने इसका refill दिया है because most of the things which I have bought is like a refill kind of a thing. तो ये मैं ऑलरेडी यूज कर रही हूँ and I've bought another one because my mom love this. So this particular thing ये थोड़ा सा महंगा है, ये 600 रुपए का रोल ऑन है and trust me this actually help. The proof is here कि मेरे baby hairs है. So I am going back to this. This is the hair roll on which I would recommend 100 times. And last but not the least, we have the famous hair conditioner, L'Oreal's Glycolic Gloss Conditioner. I cannot hold myself back when I saw Alia Bhatt doing the ad for the same and I was like, okay, let's try this. It was an addition. I'm someone who really don't like to play along with the skincare products a lot, but for me, I really wanted to add something into my skincare. So I've bought a few minis for me and these minis also costed me a hefty amount. So first and foremost thing, I really wanted to buy this Wonder Mochi Toner. Particular thing retails for 575. Okay, I get it. This is a Korean skincare product. So मैंने पहले कभी नहीं use किया. इसकी बड़ी वाली bottle I think 1500 की retail करती है. And I just wanted to try this out. तो मैंने ये छोटा वाला उठाया है and with some offers, thankfully I got it for rupees 350 and I'm just really hoping of the best for this particular thing. Now हम कोरियन स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स की बात कर ही रहे हैं, सो हाउ कैन आई जस्ट स्किप दिस वन. दिस इज द राइस सेरेमाइड टोनर बाय द फेस शॉप एंड आई हैड टू ट्राई इट आउट. सो मैंने 2 मिनीज उठाए, वांटेड टू ट्राई दिस अप. तो ये वाला जो मुझे पड़ा है ये बहुत महंगा है गाइस. दिस tiny bottle costed me around 500 something, and this has rice and ceramides जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा trending है, and I've seen people getting good results using this. So I was like, okay, let's just see if this is worth the money. I'm ready to pay. So yeah, this is a new addition. I have high hopes for these two, and I have really dry skin, so I'm gonna surely soon share a review in detail for these one. Yeah, so I got this one as well. So this is a Wishcare's tinted lip balm, and oh my god, this has a very good tint. I couldn't hold myself back. I've used this and this has really amazing hydrating thing. But मेरा lip इतना ज़्यादा dry रहता है that I feel like मुझे ज़्यादा moisturization की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. But yet the tint is amazing. I want to swear on God and tell you, see, if you are dealing with dark underarms, get this now. I have seen beautiful results for this particular thing. इसका मैंने in detail review भी share किया है, because this is a repurchase of the Be Body Wise underarm roll on, which is a refill of this one. इसका in detail review मैंने already डाल रखा है, because this has really helped me to get brighter underarms, and this has worked really well for me. So I would 100% recommend you this particular product. Now इसका जो MRP है वो 349 है. I haven't paid that much. I've paid lesser than that. स्क्रीन पे आपको प्राइसेस दिख रहा है, मुझे याद नहीं है. So yes, this is a win-win if you have a darker underarm. Buy this. Four sections. We are starting with the base products first, and I have eyes and lips as well. Moisturizer. So मैंने लिया है Mars का ये gripping primer. This has been viral, and I was craving for this one since a long time. So I was like, okay, this time let me buy this, and I have used this one today, and my makeup looks pretty well. And so after that, I have another Mars product, which is Mars Cancel Concealer. Trust me, this particular thing is my favorite, and my shade is 06. कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा affordable चाहिए, this is the one to pick. I use this every single time I do my makeup, trust me. And the next one is this Mars Liquid Blush in the shade Dusk. On my wish list for a longer period of time, and this time I had to get it. Adds a lot of shine into your skin, and you will love using this one. If you love liquid or cream products, I would ask you to buy this one 100 times. My shade is 05 Dusk. Who doesn't love a good skin tint? So I have this particular recommendation. Packaging बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है, and मेरा जो skin tone है वो neutral है, and जो चीज़ मैंने लिया है वो 4 to 5 medium है. इसका मैं बहुत बार रिव्यू बना चुकी हूँ, and this has the best consistency or skin serum आप बोल सकते हो, because I have used this today and you guys can see how flawless my skin looks. For college, office and day-to-day makeup wear, if you want to wear something during the day, this is the one to get it. Also adds a bit of the shine and gives your skin that finish. So yeah, blindly get this one. It is like 800 something, but on sale you will get it under rupees 600. Don't wait, buy this one. For another affordable concealer option, I have this Pan Concealer by Insight. See, this is my second purchase for this particular shade. This is NC2 Beige. ये मेरे skin से बहुत dark है, and I use this for my color correction. मैं कोई separately yellow या orange color corrector नहीं लगाती हूँ. I prefer using this. बहुत creamy है, and it retails just for rupees 96. I have been on a hunt for a good, beautiful, gorgeous liquid highlighter for myself, and I bought this one from Mars. This is in the shade Winged Glow, and I've used this today. Gives you the most natural finish. इसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा particles ऐसे नहीं है जो highlight होंगे. बहुत subtle इसका highlighter है, and gives you that expensive makeup finish. Now coming towards the eye makeup section, मेरे पास ना सिर्फ eyeshadow palettes ही है. मैंने इस बार कोई mascara या eyeliner नहीं उठाया है. I wanted to buy, but मेरा मन नहीं करा last में, तो मैंने हटा दिया था. So for the eye makeup palette, मैं सबसे पहले ये वाला palette दिखाना चाहती हूँ. This is the gorgeous, beautiful palette I have ever seen in my life. And ये Insight का palette है, and guess the price. This retails just for rupees 200 something, and I paid 170 for this beautiful, beautiful palette. This is very useful if you want to go for a wedding and all. And this is the size. मेरे हाथ से भी ज़्यादा छोटा है, and the pigmentation is insane. मैंने आज उसको use किया है, and I'm just blown away by the pigment. So if you are someone who wanted a single eyeshadow palette or a छोटा सा eyeshadow palette, you can look for this. This comes from a very good brand which is Insight and बहुत affordable है, so I would 100% recommend this. Single black eyeshadow लेना था to be honest, and that was costing me around 160-170 and मैंने 175 का ये वाला सुंदर सा पैलेट ले लिया है. इसमें 4 शेड और है which will be really helpful if I want to just carry this and have to create some good smoky eye makeup look. So I bought this one again from Insight, really pigmented and affordable, comes in different shades. Makeup को blend करने के लिए I really wanted to get some good blending brushes. So you know what I did? I bought some good blending brushes this time. So these are the two brushes that I got. You can see that this is like a very big fluffy brush, good for concealer and eye makeup blending. But this is a pencil brush which will be really good for a crease eyeshadow blending process के लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा. And ये दोनों ब्रश मुझे कुछ 175 रुपीज़ के पड़े हैं. And I think according to the quality, the price is good and reasonable. Lip product. So this is Mars का Cantilicious lip gloss in the shade Tutti Frutti, and I was in a hunt for a good lip gloss for a longer time. So this is in the shade Tutti Frutti, beautiful mauvish color, and I think I'm gonna apply this gloss which I'm wearing right now. And the same color, I don't know why I picked this one by ELF. Gloss same हो गए हैं, but I would love to use these. My first ELF purchase. These are my free gifts from Nykaa. मैं सबसे पहले बता दूं कि मैंने प्लम का इतना सब कुछ खरीदा है, तो उन्होंने मुझे दिया है दिस build your own barrier kit. So this is again something which has to do with rice water and cream. तो मुझे उनका राइस वाटर जो न्यू रेंज है उसका क्रीम मिला है. क्यूट, इतना क्यूट बॉटल है ये, and I think I'm gonna use these when I'm off for a holiday or something. Got this one from Insight. This is their peptide infused lip oil. The shade is Rose Luster. So ये मुझे फ्री में मिला है again. This is a proper eyeshadow kit from Mars. मिला है वो है अहमदाबाद. पाउडर है, ब्लश है, कॉन्टोर है, एंड देन और हाइलाइटर एंड कुछ बहुत प्यारे से आई शेडोज. I just love this because shadow palette ही 450 रुपीज़ का रिटेल करता है. I got it for free. Who doesn't love free stuff? I तो absolutely like free का सामान. To end this video, I have spoken a lot, and I will tell you guys, if you want to buy anything from Nykaa Spring Friday sale, don't miss it because they have daily deals going on, and I'm not getting paid for saying this. But yes, all of this you can purchase, and if you want links for anything, don't forget to comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.